Hello. Saturday, and I just swung to my parents. I picked up a little garage space heater thing, hoping to warm my garage up a little bit so I can work on the bike. Becca's at home, relaxing. She does not feel good. She has a crazy migraine, so she's relaxing with the boys. I just asked my dad if he wants to run a flea farm again, see if we have any more luck with jackets. So that's where we're going right now. Becca called me while I was out with my dad. Had me pick up some food for her. So we got like a bunch of yummy snack type of food, like all kinds of it. Oh yeah, there's my burger. These bites. We got, oh, there's some wings. Mac and cheese. Some more wings. Bada bing, bada boom. Just had lunch. Becca was craving some munchy food, so got her that, and she said it hit the spot. So she is just kind of relaxed and trying to recoup, and I am trying to get this old heater working. My dad had this old kerosene heater kicking around, but it's not working right, so I'm going to see if I can get that working so I can heat up my garage and not be freezing out here, because I've had the little heater running all day and it's still freaking chilly. So here we go. Easy fix. We got her going. Now we're cooking with kerosene. All right, got the bike jacked up on a little janky stand there. Want to ditch some of this chrome, maybe powder coat some things on it, put some new bars. We're doing either T-bars, square style apes, which is kind of played out, everybody freaking does that, or T-bars with dirt bike bars, like risers and then dirt bike bars. A little more work doing that, but it's pretty sweet. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. This bike has been laid down, and I think something might be tweaked on the front end a little bit, so we'll see if we can see anything that's jacked up on it.
Good morning. I was sick yesterday. I'm feeling a little bit better today, so we got some stuff done this morning, and look where we are. Look.
Costco.
Look. Let's go.
I'll just figure out what I'm getting Becca for Christmas. Mini Rubicon. We'll just have to paint it red.
Did we get cool stuff? Oh, don't show that. That's a Christmas present. I'm just kidding.
Blur it out on the video.
Look at biscotti, whiskey, strawberries, lettuce, pretzel buns. Healthy stuff. Was it a success?
Yeah, it went good.
We were in and out in like 40 minutes. We did a great job. That was the quickest we've ever done there. And here's our game day feast. Game day feast. We've got Little Smokies and popcorn and cranberry Sierra Mist and the fire and the game and him and the dog and the dog.
He's camera shy.
Bye.
Camera shy.
Hey guys, we got a new fryer and we're gonna use it tonight, so we have to put it together. So wish us luck. We are making a mess.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
It's a learning process.
Exactly. Now she'll suck right up.
So should I?
Yeah. There you go. Now you're cooking. Now it'll freaking go in there like butter. Oh yeah, look at that.
Ooh, did
like
you see
butter.
it?
Yeah.
I don't know where to.
It's like how they give
Where else should I go?
I don't know, just all over wherever you want to go.
Look.
There it is. That's a little chicken. Thanksgiving is next week already, and we are having our second ever Thanksgiving in our house, and it's the first that we are going to be cooking the turkey. So we got this infrared deep fryer. Our friends John and Nikki have one, and they said it's all the rage, and they cooked us for Friendsgiving. They cooked us a turkey, and it was amazing. There it is, little mini bird, nice and crispy out there.
Skin looks really good.
Mm-hmm. We got potatoes, fancy style potatoes. And we got salad. All right, well that's a wrap on this weekend. Finished dinner. We had a Halo Top milkshake with a couple Oreos, and now we're heading to bed. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next Friday.